Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Exalate on your Servicenow instance. So I've got my Servicenow instance on the right and some Exalate documentation on the left, just to make it easier for you guys to follow. I'm going to walk you through the process on both of them. The very first step is to go to the Exalate website and request an evaluation instance out here. So click on Servicenow on this page and fill out this form with the needed information. A request is now sent to our team to create a node for you. Once this is done, you will receive an email with the relevant information. So basically, there's two pieces of information which are important. One is the node address, and the second is the evaluation, the actual license key. All right, let's keep it on the side for now. This is actually the first part of what the documentation explains as well. So once you've done that, the next step is to install Servicenow using an update set. Now you have two options here. Basically what we need to do is to install the Servicenow Bridge app on the Servicenow instance. Now on production instances, this can be installed directly from the Servicenow store, but in case of a development instance or personal development instance, you need to use an update set. So let's download this update set. It will then walk us through the process of what we need to do. All right, now let's head to system update sets and then retrieved update sets here. Okay, once this loads up, you need to import the update set from XML. Choose the file which you just downloaded here, and yeah, okay. Let's click on upload. Right, so this will show you this out here. Let's open it. Click on the preview update set. If you go back to the documentation, it will walk you through this. So once you open this, you click on the preview update set. And then the last step would be to commit the update set. So now I'm gonna commit the update set. Cool. So that part is done. Now let's move on to the next steps. So far, you deployed the Exalate bridge from the Servicenow store. This is in the case of a production instance. And we've done it from an update set if it's a development instance, right? Now we need to configure it in order to move forward. So now we'll go back to users, all right? And we'll look for the user that I am logged in as, which is the admin. Now you need to make your user as an Exalate admin. So you need to add this role to it. Let's head to roles, edit, and we'll search for the role. Okay, so we'll add this role to my user. So this is what the first step means. The user that you are logged in with is now an Exalate admin. Now we'll need to go and configure the Servicenow URL. So let's head back and just update this. All right, cool. Now we need to go back and go to Exalate. So what this has done is it has created this Exalate menu. This is what the Bridge app does. We'll click on the Exalate app URL, and this is where you need to update the node information that you receive via email. So I'll switch back to the email, copy the node information, and I'll paste it out here. Click here to edit it and save. All right, so that's the step where we updated the node address. Now the last part of the puzzle is to create and configure an Exalate integration user. This is a new user account that we need to create. So let's go back again to all, and this time we want to create a brand new account. Let's call it Exalate integration and make sure that the web service access only is clicked on, and that's about it. All right, let's just go here and search for it. So we've got the Exalate integration user. All right, and we're going to set a password for this. We'll keep it aside just for now. Wow, that's a long one. Okay, I've saved it. Right now, what we need to do is assign some roles to it. So the very first role which we need to assign is this one. So let's go to roles and click on edit, right? So that's one role, and I don't think we need anything else here. Yeah, that should be it. Cool. So let's save this and update. All right. Now the very last part is configuring this. So let's go back to the Exalate console itself. You can use the Bridge app. You just click on this console, bear with it for a few seconds. All right, this will open the ServiceNow console. Let's click on accept to accept the agreement. And now you need to plug in all the information to link this back to the ServiceNow instance. So I'll copy the URL, that's the ServiceNow URL, the proxy user which we set up. So that was called the Exalate integration. And we'll also need the password, and this is why we just saved it somewhere safe. We also need the license key that was in the email when you first received the node information. Type all that in and click save. And that should be it. Now you're able to log into the console. I just need to paste my password in here again, just a second. All right. So the first time when you log in, it does take a few seconds and it will bring you to this connection screen. You'll get a message about your license saying your evaluation license is expiring in 20 days. If you go to the license details, you will see that you have an evaluation license that's already active. And yeah, you're good to proceed with it. The next step will be to create a connection and link your systems and the usual stuff. So hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next ones.